students and parents, welcome back to my channel. My today's video is based on another interesting topic. Today I'm going to share with you some amazing wonders about plants. So let's get started. We can't be alive in this world without plants. They give us oxygen to breathe. They absorb the harmful carbon dioxide and purify the air. They give us food and shelter. Do you know which is the largest flower in the world? The largest flower in the world is called Rafflesia arnoldi. This rare flower is found in the rainforest of Indonesia. It can grow to be 3 feet across and weight up to 15 pounds. It is a parasitic plant with no visible leaves, roots and stem. It attaches itself to a host plant for water and nutrients. This is watermeal or Wolffia australiana, the smallest known flower in the world. These are cactus, the plants growing in desert. But can you tell why their structures are not like any other normal plants? We all know that there is a huge amount of water shortage in desert, and that is why the structures of the plants in desert are changed into this like structure. This thick and fleshy green portion is the modified stem, and the spine-like structures are the modified leaves of the cactus. Cactus stores a lot of water in these fleshy stems and protects water vaporization to stop unnecessary water loss through these spines. You all know that there are some animals like wolf, tiger, lion. These are carnivorous animals, means they eat the meat of other animals. But do you know that there are some meat-eating plants also? This is Venus flytrap, a plant that eats insects. When insects sits in its open mouth, it closes and the insects trapped inside its mouth, and it will swallow the insect and eat them. Actually, some sticky liquid is present inside the open mouth of this plant, and when insects sit on this, their legs stick to that liquid and they can't fly away. This is pitcher plant, another type of plant that eat insects. One slippery substance is present in their open mouth and inside the cavity. When insects sit on this cavity, they slip inside and can't fly away. If you go in any marshy areas or seaside, you can often see these spine-like structures around any big plant. But what are these? Can you tell? These spine-like structures are actually the tip of the roots of that particular plant. But why they are growing upwards? The plants that grows in the marshy areas or seaside are called mangroves. You all know that the soil of the seaside or marshy areas is always salty. Mangroves that grow in marshy areas are not able to obtain oxygen from the soil. The roots grow out of the soil and extend towards the upward direction. These roots passes multiple pores that help with respiration in plants, and hence they are called breathing roots. You can often see these kind of floating plants covered on the upper portion of any pond or lake. This is called water hyacinth. But do you know this kind of plants is not connected to the soil? Water hyacinth is a floating plant that has clusters of leaves with spongy stakes arising from a base of dark purple feathery roots. The leaf clusters are often linked by smooth horizontal stems. Linked plants form dense layer in the water. One of the most surprising facts about plants kingdom is about 85% of the world's plant is present under the sea. So, I hope you enjoyed my today's video. In my next video, again I will bring some interesting topic on either mathematics or science. Increase your knowledge and enjoy your study. Bye bye.